everybody? Welcome back to the frozen tundra of Tennessee. Guys, look, it basically snows once, maybe twice a year, maybe twice. Sometimes it doesn't snow at all down here in Tennessee, and we got freaking dumped on. Like, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 inches at least, and I'm absolutely hating it. But I need to fire up Adam's Thunderbird and Pop's car, let these freaking things warm up, because right now the temperature is like 9, and I just want all the cars warmed up, make sure everything's good, make sure all the batteries are good, all of that. So let's go. All right, so I guess we'll start with Pop's car. I do have a Motorcraft battery on Pop's car, so, well, we got lights. This week. Come on, baby. Oh, it is not happy. Of course, it really doesn't matter. It's gonna die like 10 times. All right. What do I do with the keys? There's the keys. All right, let's fire up the Yoti. Ah, damn. It is freezing. Yeah! She's alive. Ultra cold start. All right, boys, they are not happy. But god dang it, they're running. Hey, Louise. I mean, this is just like, not cut out for this. Oh, bless. Not good. All right, boys. Both cars making heat. I went ahead and let them run for about 25 minutes. Overkill, maybe, I don't care. I wanted them warmed up. Everything is copacetic with the cold box bodies. All right, look, I get it. You guys up north, especially you guys in Canada, are laughing your ass off. Like, that's not freaking cold. Well, guess what? I'm a transplant. I was actually born and raised in central Illinois. I hate the cold. There's a reason I live down south, and I moved down here in 2002. But for all of us guys down south, this is a very traumatic experience. All this snow, all this cold is not what we're about. We're not used to it. We're not prepared for it. Don't slip on the ice, for fuck's sake. Pardon my French. Yeah. Yeah. That's ice. Gotta make sure I don't. Damn, I gotta get this ice. Woo!
Just relax.
I'm trying to relax. It ain't working. I'm looking at this ice. Yeah. You sure you don't want to get in?
Be the honest way to get you in there.
So you really do start to go numb a little bit.
I made it to there and I tried to step up. I couldn't step.
My toes are gone. God damn. Huh?
Snowball fight.
No, don't do that. All right, that's it. That's it. All right. Let me just tell y'all, that's savage. That is straight savage right there. Holy shit. Holy shit. All right, we'll talk about the polar challenge in a minute, but I'm just gonna give you a little taste what we're doing. I'm telling y'all, I know you guys up north are making fun of us, but we ain't used to this down here. And I still say, I don't know how you guys up there do it. Luckily, sun finally came out. I think it's like a brisk 15 degrees at the moment. Whoo! Yeah, I'm over it. So I know you guys are asking yourself, why in the hell did y'all do this? And I'm gonna tell you, yeah, that's a lot of ice. A lot of ice. So listen guys, I'm gonna change it up a little bit and just tell you real quick. We do our very best to help you guys do builds, help you with buying, selling cars, all that, show you cool stuff. That's why we're here. And I always love to hear that we inspire people with what we do. But if I could take it a step further, I would invite you to challenge yourself every single day. Physically, mentally, do something hard, do something that sucks, do something that you don't want to do that will level you up. Because I'm telling you, there's no better feeling than doing something that you didn't think you could do. That's living, boys. That is true living, when you can actually conquer your fears, do something you didn't think you could do, and amaze yourself. That's what it's all about, guys. Look, I started Foxcast Media back in 2015, and I've done a lot of things with the brand and with the other brands I've started that I didn't think I could do. And, you know, I'm not what you'd call gifted or super intelligent, and didn't grow up with money. Quite the opposite. Actually grew up very poor. And that's one thing I've found, that no risk, no reward. And if you don't challenge yourself and go beyond your comfort zone, you never know what you're capable of. And those are facts. I'm just telling you from experience, those are facts. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and hope you got something out of it. Ready for this to thaw so we can get back to doing what we do. So if you guys did enjoy this and you did get something out of it, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.